See, in crypto, there are two things that we have to follow. Actually, crypto and stocks, they both use the technical analysis only, but they somewhat difference because stocks sometimes follow some kind of fundamentals and they do have a business, right, in stocks. But in crypto, they don't have a business currently, right? It's a kind of digital currency, right? It's a kind of software which works on blockchain technology, right? So it's not like a business like stocks. We have businesses, right? In crypto, there is no business. It is just used for trading purpose, buy and sell and all, right? Okay. So in stocks, like we have large cap, mid cap, small cap, right? In crypto also we have similar kind of things, but the logic is different. The way how we trade in crypto, it's different, right? So we should always try to like buy low and sell high, right? But in stocks,
So that's the strategy.
uh, but in stocks we can follow two strategies, right? Buy low, sell high, and second is buy high, sell higher.
Yeah. So one basic question I had. So crypto and Bitcoin are the same?
Bitcoin is a type of crypto. Bitcoin is a type of crypto. Okay.
Okay, fine.
1 second. Let me open that software. Then I will show you. 1 second.
Ah. And we can't use it via regular trading accounts that we have now.
No, we have to use a different apps or different accounts, right? So those accounts should be recognized by FIU, which is Financial Intelligence Unit, which comes under Ministry of Finance, right? So they are.
This happened. It's been legalized only recently, right?
It's not legalized. They are charging taxes, but it's not like legal tender in India. But we can trade, but we have to pay the taxes on crypto, right?
So the moment we're paying taxes, which means the government is okay with it, unlike how it was before.
But we cannot use it for legal tender. Like if we want to purchase anything, we cannot use crypto. Like in other countries, they are using crypto for legal tenders. Like they want to buy groceries or they want to do shopping and all, right? So they use cryptos in many countries. But here in India, we don't have a legal tender.
Right. Also, okay.
But
that's what we are doing. This trading is money only, right?
So we are doing trading, and whatever profit we earn, we have to pay taxes to the government. That is it. Right?
Okay.
So the second thing is that there are certain. There are many apps actually, but there are certain apps which are recognized by FIU, right? FIU is the Ministry of Finance. So we should be using only those apps or those websites to trade in crypto. Okay.
Okay.
So they are the first one is CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch.
WITCH. Okay.
Yeah. 1 second, I will.
What's the tax we're paying for crypto, sir?
Flat 30%.
Oh, that is too much.
But so the way you earn in crypto, it is also like that: 100%, 500%, 1000% also, right? So the way we are earning, same way we have to pay the taxes also. Right?
And how much are we paying for stocks?
Stocks is less. I think it is for long term it is 12.5%, and for short term it is 20%.
And crypto is 30.
Yes.
Mutual funds?
Mutual funds also same thing, like long term and short term, 12.5 and 20%.
Okay, same.
Yeah. See, the difference here is that in stocks you can do a set off, right? Like if you have a gain of let's say 1 lakh, and against that you have a loss of 50k, then you have to pay the taxes only on 50k. 1 lakh minus 50k, which comes to 50k. So you have to pay taxes on 50k only. But here in crypto, it's not like that. Let's say you have earned a profit of 1 lakh and you have made a loss of around 20k, right? So then you have to pay taxes only on profit. So the losses won't be set off against the profits.
Oh.
Right, like that, right? Because the crypto will also move like that, right? 300%, 500%, 1000% also, if you have chosen the correct one and at correct price.
Okay.
Right. So the moment you are booking the profits, then only you have to pay the taxes. But if you are not booking the profits, like you are keeping it in your account, at that time you don't have to pay. The moment you are booking the profits and you are transferring the money to your savings account, at that time you have to pay the profits. Correct.
Which means if I have to pay, for example, if you have to pay 20 rupees as tax, it gets deducted by itself and then I get the remaining, or?
You have to show in ITR. ITR. Once you file the ITR.
Okay. How we do it in this one, right? Shares and mutual funds.
Right.
So, but while getting, I'll get the full amount, no?
Yeah, you will get the amount. See, that is a bit risky. See, here in stocks, they are being controlled by SEBI, right? But in crypto, they don't have any control, right? It's
Okay.
kind of open market, right? So they don't have any.
So it can be manipulated also easily.
Yes, it can be manipulated, and the risk is high actually in crypto because they are not controlled by.
You don't have regulators, right?
We don't have regulators. Only the thing is that there are certain apps which are regularized by Ministry of Finance. That's it.
Okay.
Like we have CoinSwitch and the company name is Coinbase. The app name is CoinSwitch and the base company is Coinbase. Okay.
Okay.
And next we have Binance and Bybit. But the one I use is CoinDCX. So you can use that one, CoinDCX. One second.
CoinDCX.
Yeah, CoinDCX. CoinDCX.
Yeah.
I think I have told you earlier also on the chat. You were asking sometimes back which app we are using. I have told you that, I think.
I have heard of Binance from a different person though. I haven't heard any of these.
Binance, actually earlier we had access in India, but now they are not allowing the new users to create the account in Binance.
Okay.
Two apps are currently which are being used: Coinbase and CoinDCX.
Okay.
So Coinbase is having a bit of high brokerage. CoinDCX have a bit of less brokerage. So, and the GUI and interface is quite good in CoinDCX as compared to Coinbase.
Okay.
So in CoinDCX you can do technical analysis and you can plot the graphs. You can use the indicators and all, right? So that is why CoinDCX looks pretty better than Coinbase. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 second, I'll just log in and then I'll show you. See, once you open this page, it will show you all the details about the app, right? Here you can see that it will show you the FIU compliance here. FIU complying with the Indian anti-money laundering laws, correct? Certified by global standards. See, there are many apps which are not regularized by FIU and ISN. Also, you don't have to use those apps.
Okay.
So there are many apps they are running behind that, and they are doing scams and all, right? So don't use those. Just focus on this CoinDCX or Coinbase.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to create a account in this, but I'll show you. Let me log in and then I'll show you. So Bitcoin is basically a type of crypto, right? So apart from that, there are many cryptos. Like in stocks, right? We have variety of stocks, right? Similarly, here also we have variety of cryptos like large cap. See, Bitcoin is a part of large cap crypto.
Okay.
And then we have, you can say that penny cryptos. We call it penny stocks, right? So here we have penny cryptos, means you can also call it as meme cryptos, MEME. Maybe.
Ah.
So they are highly risky. They are kind of like hero or zero. Either your money will become zero, or it can make you like 500%, 1000% like that, right? So it's a
Okay.
hero and zero, right? So the strategy that you have to use to buy memo cryptos is like buy low and sell high. So you always have to wait for a correction, and once they come near the demand zone and all, then only you have to trade in those meme cryptos, because they are highly volatile and they are being manipulated by the various operators, right? Because cryptos are being traded all over the world, right? So there are many countries which are using it as a legal tender also. As in India,
Okay.
we are not using it, but there are many countries they are using it as a legal tender. So the cryptos are very highly volatile, right?
Okay.
They are
And how you do your analysis based on the same candles strategy?
but there is a different thing that we have to follow here that I will show you one second.
The page looks very complicated though.
And that I have plotted this technical charts, and that is why it looks to you like that. I'll just close everything. Okay. Okay. Now you can see below the coin wallet, right? Yes.
Ah.
Here you can see coins wallet, correct?
Ah.
So these are the cryptos, right? Adventure Gold, Alchemy, Anim Coin, Anshe, Bakery Token. So these are all cryptos. There are many cryptos. There are thousands and lakhs of cryptos, right? See, so many are there, right? So what you can do is that how you can do is that first you can go to the. I actually use the app mostly. So website it's a bit complex actually. One second. Okay, here you can see on the left panel, right? ETH USDT. ETH means there is a crypto called Ethereum. You might have heard about it.
Yeah. Huh.
Ethereum. Okay.
Yeah, these are those electric vehicles, right?
No. Ethereum is it's a crypto that's totally different. That vehicles and all. See, here they don't have any business, so they are just softwares which are being.
Okay.
They are just softwares which are being traded all over the world, buy and sell. That's it, right? So they might have some business at the back end. So because they are using apps, right? They have certain softwares. So those softwares are being used by certain companies providing some kind of services. So that is different. So you have to see the business, what business they are doing. You just have to follow the pure technicals here. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see that Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Ethereum and Bitcoin is most of the most highly traded cryptos, and they are also called as large caps. And in terms of crypto, you can call it as a white paper coin.
Okay.
So there stocks we call large caps or blue chip. Here we call it as a white paper crypto. Okay. So Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these two you can use the same strategy that you use in stocks, because they are kind of large cap, or you can say that blue chip crypto. So you can use the similar kind of strategies here also, like same kind of patterns, support, resistance, demand and supply. Same thing you can use in these two cryptos. But apart from that, in the other cryptos, you have to follow the buy low and sell high, and you should always use the monthly or weekly chart.
Okay.
We have to use it for long-term investments. Correct.
We can't use it for short-term gains.
Short term it can give you, but you have to wait for a correction. Then only you should buy it. See, you have to pay 30% taxes. If you are okay to pay 30% taxes for a small return, then it's fine. But what I think is that because since you have to pay more taxes, then you should wait for more returns.
Might as well wait for more.
Yes. So these are all the cryptos here. You can search a link AVAX, SUI, Aster, LTC, WBT, BNB. All these there are so many cryptos, right? So this is up to you how you choose it. I will show you one example. 1 second. Let me check one of the crypto. Okay, let me show you first how the chart of Bitcoin looks like. So this is a chart I have selected. This is a Bitcoin chart, okay? You can see the price here, 121968.
Yeah.
This is in dollars, US dollars.
USD.
And this I have selected the weekly time frame, okay?
Okay.
So how I traded Bitcoin, I'll show you. So I traded around this area, okay? I traded around this area. And because I saw one pattern, which I have explained to you, I think during stocks also, inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Right? So I saw this pattern here, and here you can see there was a breakout here, correct? This was a breakout.
Yeah.
So I saw this pattern somewhere here, so I entered in Bitcoin here. But I used to buy like long back also, like 3 years back also. I started in SIP and all, and once I get around 60-70% return, then I will sell it. So I normally trade for like that, like 6 months, 1 year, like that. I don't trade it for like short term, like 1 month or 2 months, right? I trade it for long period. I have to pay taxes, so that is why I wait for more gains. Okay. So that is why we have selected the weekly chart here. Okay. So here, as you can see that there is a inverse head and shoulder formation here, right? So how you calculate the targets here? You can calculate the targets by seeing the high and low price, right, of this pattern. So high price is how much? 1,10,000. Okay. And low price is 80,000. Correct.
80.
So 1,10,000 minus 80,000, it is coming around 30,000 points, right? So we have to add this 30,000 to 1,10,000. So it will come, the target is coming around 1,40,000 US dollars. Right. So
when do you enter?
You can enter here whenever there was a breakout. Okay. And second is you can buy more whenever there is a retest of breakout. So this was a breakout.
So when you're saying breakout, then ideally the price would have gone up when it is a breakout.
Yes. It went out here. You can see, right? See, there was.
So it went up, na?
Yeah, from here it went up. So this is a breakout candle, the green one.
So you basically bought it when it was high, already high.
You can buy it because it's a large cap, right? So this you can use. You can buy it high also.
Acha, okay.
Right. But I saw it here only. I saw this pattern here only. So I started the SIP at this level because I was not sure when it is going to take a breakout, right? So I added my SIP here, and whenever there was a breakout, I added more quantities.
So when it is towards the resistance, you kind of enter, right?
Yeah. See, there are different traders who use different strategies. Either they can, if they want to buy, they can enter on a breakout, or they can enter on a breakout retest. So this is a breakout retest zone, right? This area. They can enter here also, right? And some traders who are safe traders, they can start entering here slowly like that. So I used to do a SIP of 1,000 per week, right? So I did a SIP for 1 year, and after that I got around 40-50% return. Then I sold it.
Okay. So now just a question here. Now since it is very volatile, you don't have regulators here. You saw this pattern, but what guarantee you have that in the future also is going to be following the same pattern?
So there may be different patterns. See, there may be, in Bitcoin, it was head and shoulders, but in Ethereum, there was a different pattern. There was a rounding bottom pattern, right? So you have to follow the same technicals. You have to follow the same technical analysis here as well, even in Bitcoin, even in Ethereum. So you should know how to find out. But the only difference here is that we will see the weekly or monthly chart. Focus on weekly and monthly charts only here. So there we used to check like 1 hour also, 1 day also, right? So here, since we are doing it for long term, then we don't have to see hourly chart or 30 minutes chart. We should try to focus on weekly and monthly charts.
Okay.
Right. So now you can see that the Bitcoin is at a resistance area. So this is again a resistance here, right? 1,21,000, correct? So now the traders who didn't enter here or here or here, they can wait for this breakout, because as per the pattern, we know that the target is around 1,40,000, and currently it is 1,26,000 approximately, 1,25,000.
So you're saying it can go up till 1,40,000?
Yeah, and after once it reaches this price, after that we'll see if there's any other pattern getting formed at that level. Then we can buy more, or we can wait, or we can book some percentage like that. So for now we have to wait for this target 1,40,000, because as per the pattern it is showing us like that.
Okay.
Right. So see, what I suggest is that in any crypto, use small quantities only, like Bitcoin. And see, you have to decide your capital first. See, for me, like I trade only with 1 lakh in cryptos. I don't have more capital I have not put more capital in crypto, because I know it is risky and we have to pay more taxes also, right? But we wait for more returns here. So
my agenda is very clear. I will do, if I enter, I will do SIP only. I will not do anything lump sum.
So SIP only is the best option in cryptos. Don't do lump sum in crypto. Even if you see the pattern also, then also you don't do it. Because I saw this pattern, then also I didn't do lump sum. I started only the SIP only. Because they are very, very highly volatile, right?
Yeah.
If you see on daily chart, I'll show you. There was a very high volatility in Bitcoin. I think it is not showing in USD one. There was one. See, there are two categories, USDT and INR. The Bitcoin is available in two categories, USDT and INR. So you have
what should we enter into?
You have to trade only in INR, and you have to see the chart of USDT and trade INR.
Oh, okay.
See, you can see there was a high volatility in INR. You can see this candle, the lower one, right? This candle. So same candle you won't see in USD. I will show you the USD. See this, I have plotted the 1 day chart of USD INR. Okay, INR, Bitcoin INR. This is the chart of Bitcoin INR. Now I will show you the chart of Bitcoin USDT. 1 second. Very different. Okay. So now you don't see that candle here, right? That long candle, that hammer was there in INR one. Here it is not there. So you have to see the chart of USDT, but whenever you are buying, you have to buy INR only. Hello? I think your screen is freezed. Hello?
I guess it went I have some network issues. I'll just shift my network.
So what you can do is that you can install this app on your mobile first. CoinDCX.
Okay.
Can install now. You can try installing now only. If you get any issue, I'll help you. Because everything is there on the app only.
Do I have to give any documentation?
You have to do everything online. They will ask for Aadhaar, PAN number and bank account number, that you can do online only.
Okay.
So try to do it now only, so that I can help you if you get stuck anywhere now.
CoinDCX, no?
Yeah, coin DCX. Yes. Correct.
I don't think if I have my documents available on the phone immediately.
No, you can enter your Aadhaar number and then it will ask for OTP and all. You can do like that. Because it's a bit tricky to do it. If you get stuck in between, then it will be like difficult. So that is why you can do it now only. It will hardly take 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. I just agree with the terms, no?
Yeah. And you can activate security on your app, right? There are two types of securities. One is fingerprint and other one is the pin, right? So you can activate both the security features on your app.
Okay. I haven't reached there yet.
No, I'm just saying, like after once you install it, after that you can do it.
Yeah.
So any IPOs you have applied?
The recently what you gave LG,
Okay.
I haven't a confirmation yet.
Okay, VWork you have applied? No, right?
WeWork I couldn't. I had some family emergency at the time.
Okay, so it's good that you didn't apply. I think it will not open profits.
Is it? It's asking me to enter the Aadhaar to verify the Aadhaar, but I am not getting the alphabet option. Only numbers are showing.
Aadhaar will have only
Alphabet and oh, okay, you're right. I have been
alphabets will be
thinking
there in
of
PAN card.
this one.
Alphabet.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Why am I at?
Okay.
I don't remember my DigiLocker pin.
Asking for DigiLocker.
Yeah. For other verification. So we can give consent to use Aadhaar for validation, right?
Yes. And after that, you have to add your bank account details also, so that you can later you can transfer your money from bank to the app.
Okay.
So here at the top now, if you see on the top, there are options, right? Block, convert, community. So you have to go to markets.
Okay.
So once you go to markets, you can see all these things here, right? Top gainers, top losers, top trending, top volume.
Same thing how we have in this one.
Yeah.
Kotak.
Right. So for if you want to invest or trade in MEM cryptos, then you have to see only this top gainers, right? Focus on top gainers only. Because top gainers means there is more volume in this, and some operator or some big money is trying to enter in these cryptos, right? So we have to see the charts one by one. Here it will show you 4 or 5. So now it is showing 4 top gainers, right? So you have to focus on only these 4 top gainers, and you have to see the chart one by one, and whichever chart you find is good, based on that you can put some money. Like I'll show you this one.
What's the minimum, sir?
Minimum 100 rupees you can put.
Okay.
Normally I put 1,000 or 1,000 in MEM cryptos, and once it goes to like 2,000, 2,500, because these MEM cryptos can go beyond 200, 300% also in a day. Right.
Okay.
Even in US market also you can see like 5,000, 1,000% gains in a day. So recently one stock gave me around 5,000% return
Oh my God.
in 2 days in US market. I invested around 3,000 rupees, return of around profit around 16,000 in 2 days.
Oh, lovely.
So these markets are very good for if you have a good technical analysis and all, then you will get very good return in these, because they don't have a circuit breaker there. In India stocks we have a circuit breaker, maximum 20% of stock can move in a day, right? But in US market they don't have a limit. Even they can move to 1,000, 1,500% also in a day.
And can we buy and exit on the same day?
Yes. Right. So here once I chose that, now it is showing me the charts here, right? So now you can see that there's a lot of small candles you can see here, right? That means there's a lot of small accumulation going on in this crypto.
Yeah, my meeting got ended.
Yeah. So so once I click that crypto, so I now can see the charts here, right? So now how you have to use in meme cryptos, right? So you have to see the accumulation. You can see small candles are moving here, right? Very little candles.
Sir, mem crypto, you said these are basically your penny stocks types, right?
Penny stocks.
But those are not very advisable to enter, no?
No, if you know how to analyze, they are very good to enter, because you can earn very good profits in those meme cryptos.
Okay.
But you should know how to analyze it properly, because it's totally a different way to analyze these meme cryptos.
Okay.
So what you should do, first you should go to monthly chart. Okay, monthly chart. So now you can see that, and there is an option of index here. Okay. So what? Same thing as we have in Zero Dana, similar kind of features they have used here also. I have to plot volume. Okay. So now I have plotted volume, right? And now you can see at the bottom here in the charts. These are all-time low, right? So see, this crypto has made a high of how much? 0.15. Okay. This is the high, right?
This is high.
0.159. It made a high of this, and this crypto was launched somewhere in 2023 maybe, right? So at that time it made a high of this one, and after that they started pump and dump, and after that it started going down only, right? You can see.
Okay. So just 1 second at the door.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem. So you can see that they have done some kind of pump and dump at the top 0.159 level, and after that it started going down and down only, right? So after that, you can see small candles started building up here. Means most of the sellers has gone. Most of the sellers has gone. If you see those kind of small candles in monthly chart, that means most of the sellers are gone, right? So that means
basically they're exiting, right? That's what it means.
They have already exited here, and now most of them have exited. Most of the big players have exited, right? So now after that, you can see the volume. They have started coming in green also, right? You can see two green candles here, and then very less volume here, right? As compared to this area. Very less volume here, and you can see small candles. Means somebody is accumulating it, is buying it in small quantities, right? And
so 1 second, but it is red, right? The candle is red.
That is fine. Red is fine. See, there are two things: volume and the candle color, right? If volume is more, means volume candle is red, and this chart candle is also red. So in this red, there are two types: small candle and big candle. Okay. If the candle is big, that means some big player is selling it. If the candles are small, that means they are not selling. They are just trying to manipulate something. They are selling and then they are buying again.
They're in stocks, right?
So here you have to see. So there also, if we can monitor that, if we want to find some multi-baggers in stocks, we can use similar kind of analysis there as well.
Okay.
Like for long term, 2 years, 3 years, something like that. But here, this is very important to use it, because we are doing it in a very high risky instrument and highly volatile instrument, right? So here, wait. So we have to wait here. We should not buy at the top. We have to wait for these kind of scenarios, like small candles in volume, and here also small candles, right?
So this will kind of help us understand that there will be a future movement in it, and there will be a rise in it.
So there is a probability of future movement. Like you can see that the chart candles are almost gone, right? Almost negligible, and now suddenly you can see a green candle here.
Frankly speaking, if I would see this, I would never enter it.
So that is why
it's not very welcoming.
So this is a way to enter in cryptos. In stocks you may not enter. In stocks you may not enter, because we have to see the volume and many other things in stocks. But here in crypto, this kind of chart is having more probability. See, we are buying at the bottom, means the risk is very less, right? Here the risk reward is more. Risk is less and reward is more, right? So if you enter here, the crypto can go till here. This is the first resistance, right? The crypto can go here, and then maximum it can go here also. So now you can see that a very small green candle is getting formed, means it is still in accumulation phase, right? This crypto will give breakout only when you see a big green candle here also. Then only at that time it will give a breakout. Otherwise, they will keep on accumulating maybe for 1 year, 1.5 years. I don't know, like for how long they have been doing like this. See here, they already have been doing since 2004. They have already been buying this crypto, right? So now we can see a big green candle here, but here also we want a big green candle in volume. Then only we can expect a big movement in that.
So 1 second, what's the difference between the below chart and the above one?
This is volume.
Which year is it?
So this is volume.
Okay, this is the volume. And the above one?
These are the candles. Price.
Okay.
So we have to see both
Alright.
price and volume. So this is a
Okay,
combination of price and volume, right?
We don't have this in stocks, right?
It is there because I do analysis. It is there, but we don't use that because we used to trade there, right? So they are safest options. Stocks are safe. That is why we don't have to do much kind of deep analysis there. Here in crypto, they are highly volatile, and also we have to do a kind of deep analysis here.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So there will be a breakout only when there will be a big green candle in the volume. Okay. So this was the chart. Now I will show you one more chart where there was a big breakout. There was a coin which I had traded. Hippo. Okay. Hippo. So this is the name of the crypto. Okay. See.
Sorry, what's the name?
HIPP.
Hippo. Okay.
Okay. You can see that they have done a pump and dump at the top. Correct. 2.5 rupees. And after that it started coming down here. Now it is like accumulation going on, small candles, right? Some red, some green, but green candles are bars are more as compared to the red ones, correct? And there was one more big volume. So I entered at this level. Now I'm still holding. I'm getting around 40% return here, still holding. I'll wait for some more time. I'll see like till what price they can go. Like first resistance is 0.5 and second resistance is here 1.5. So we have a very good reward ratio here. If you invest even 1,000, your risk is less and reward will be more. Because from 0.12 this can go up to 0.5. That means 4 times return it can give you. Right. So that is why we are doing this kind of analysis in meme cryptos. Right.
Okay.
Because see here you can see a green candle here as well and here. There will be soon be a breakout here.
Yes. Okay.
So one more coin I'll show you. KU. Okay, let's go to markets again. So let's see this one. The next one's ZEC. Okay. See.
This is not in the app. This is the website.
App. This is there in the app also.
App only.
This I am showing you in the website, but this is there in the app also. I do most of my analysis in the app only. So I don't open laptops. I use only in my mobile.
Okay.
So now you can see the same concept here.
There's a breakout here.
See, a lot of accumulation happened for how many years? Approximately 2 years.
Almost 2 years, no? Or rather 3.
They start rather 3 years. They started in the mid of 2022, and the breakout is now only in September 2025, right? So you have to keep patient. So these you can see small candles here, right? So that means there is some big players are buying this, right? And suddenly there was a big volume, and here also you can see big volume, right?
So how do you get these kind of lovely charts? Because when I was trying with the stocks, even I was not able to get the kind of charts you were showing me.
You have to spend time. You have to spend time on that.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, but you don't have to buy here now. This is a wrong time to buy.
Not a right time to enter.
So, see, for stocks we can buy here also.